So as you can see here, my screen in my Tesla is quite dirty, so I need to clean the screen. The only issue with this is if you have a wipe here and you're trying to clean the screen, stuff will start moving around as you're wiping. So what you can actually do is open a screen clean mode, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You press this car button here on the bottom right, then go to display, and then there is screen clean mode. So all you have to do is press screen clean mode, and now you can clean the entire screen without any interference from accidentally pressing the wrong thing. So that's all you need to do to access screen cleaning mode. And then once you're done, all you have to do is press hold to exit. It will count down from 3 seconds, and then you're back on the main screen.